In the near future, rocket engines will not be designed by humans. They will be evolved by artificial intelligence. Look at this organic skeletal structure. Traditional engineering, with rulers and blueprints, could never create this. For 60 years, we've used heavy, blocky designs. But to reach Mars, we need something better. We are entering an era where AI is the master architect of the stars. You see, traditional design is slow and limited by human intuition. AI doesn't have those limits. With generative design, we give the AI a single goal: make it 40% lighter, but twice as strong. The AI then runs millions of simulations, adding material only where physics demands it. The result? Parts that look like alien technology, but perform better than anything a human could ever draft. We aren't just building engines anymore, we are growing them. The biggest bottleneck in space tech right now is CFD, the complex math of how fire moves. Normally, simulating just 1 second of a rocket burn takes a supercomputer weeks. AI is the ultimate shortcut. Using neural networks, AI can predict these complex physics results in seconds with 99% accuracy. This is why companies like SpaceX and Relativity Space are moving 10 times faster than NASA did in the 60s. They are testing 10,000 designs in a single afternoon. But for missions to Jupiter or Saturn, fire isn't enough. We need ion propulsion. These engines use electricity to move through the void, but the plasma inside is so hot, it eventually eats the engine walls. AI has solved this by designing magnetic topologies, invisible magnetic cages that keep the plasma perfectly centered. By optimizing these invisible fields, AI is extending the life of deep space engines from months to decades. These are the sails that will take us to the outer solar system. By 2026, AI is also the brain inside the engine. Self-tuning propulsion uses onboard chips to monitor thousands of sensors every millisecond. As a rocket climbs, air pressure changes constantly. The AI adjusts the fuel mixture and nozzle shape in real time, tuning the engine like a master musician. This makes spaceflight safer and more efficient than ever before. If a tiny vibration starts, the AI fixes it before it becomes a disaster. The line between hardware and software is disappearing. We are moving toward a future where our most advanced machines are dreamt up by silicon logic. The next great leap into the cosmos won't just be powered by fuel. It will be powered by AI. If you're ready for the future, hit that like button and subscribe. Now tell me, would you trust a rocket designed entirely by AI? Let me know in the comments below.